Alright guys, so I'm going to show the factory reset your Nintendo Alarmo. Now you may want to do this if you're done using it and want to sell it, or if it's giving you issues and want to try fixing them. Now it's pretty simple, so first just press the dial here, the confirm button. Then scroll over to go to settings. Again, press the dial. Then you're going to scroll down to go down to restore factory settings. Press the dial. Then it's just telling you that all your data is going to be deleted, such as whichever records you've done. Press the dial to press next. Settings will be restored to the factory default. The process can't be undone. Then go over to confirm. Go to restore. Then now you're back on the setup. From here, just unplug it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.